Hello, and welcome to this workshop. I'm James Williams, your instructor on the very popular and easy to repair General Motors 4L60E automatic transmission. Let me state from the beginning, the overall goal of this video is to show you, without repair experience or expensive equipment, how to take apart, identify problems, and reassemble this 4L60E. First produced in 1992, it's the most common automatic transmission in the world. It's a versatile model found in Chevrolet automobiles such as Camaro, Caprice, and Corvette. It's also used in GM's light truck and SUV platforms like Avalanche, Blazer, Colorado, 1500 Series Silverado and Sierra pickups, Suburban, Tahoe, and Yukon. I've been building transmissions for over 30 years, and trust me, this transmission is mechanically friendly and a great beginner project. Whether you're a student, drag racer, technician expanding your skills, or simply someone wanting to save on repair costs, you can successfully repair the 4L60E. You may think you need thousands of dollars worth of exotic tools and years of experience. Well, the truth is you don't. You will need some mechanical aptitude, basic automotive hand tools, a clean workspace, and a few specialty devices I'll show you how to make from wood, scrap steel, and common fasteners. During the next 2 hours, we'll explore this drivetrain component together. We'll disassemble the unit, look at the common problem areas, and discover solutions, and finally put it all together like new. Let's get started. Simply out of the junkyard, and it's nothing special about it. You know, it's still got its parts on it, and we're going to invert it. This is going to give us a much nice flatter surface to work it on where we can work inside it. Okay, here we are with our patient. It is a 1998 4L60E. As you can see here, we have it on the stand, and we have a little, we have things over here on the if we want to Go ahead and take a few notes. We've got our tools, but we have a nice I'm going to take this gasket off. And your filter it's in there pretty tight, but you got to grasp it and it will come out. You just have to, see that. We want to get this wiring harness off. We want to take it off, and we're going to do that kind of easy right now. You're going to start right here and take it loose right here. You got to be careful. These little things, they will break off. You have to be careful that these wiring harnesses. This solenoid right here, we are going to take it apart, and just like the same, we're going to have to take that thing without breaking it. Without breaking it, we want to take this thing loose and just unclip it. We're going to do the same. We're going to do the same here with this. It's kind of fragile too. We're also going to do the same with these two here. We're going to take these loose, and they can be a little brittle too. One other thing you want to do is you also want to get this right here. You're going to need a little bit more substantial screwdriver. Place it right here and grab your wires, and you just kind of push, and it will come loose. This right here, we've got to get this solenoid out. Two bolts here and here, but we need to remove this first. And to do that, what we're going to do, we're just going to reach in here, and we're just going to reach down in here, pull this clip out just like this, okay? And it comes out like that, like so. And we can just take this solenoid and just ease it out, just like this. And it fits right here. We're going to put this clip right back in here, just like that. That is how it is held in, and we are going to set it aside. We've got to remove this solenoid. To get the rest of the solenoid off, we've got to get these bolts off right here. Get that loose. Get this one loose, and then we have our two bolts. And we can just, pull this thing out. And we can get it loose. You'll see it come loose, and then all of this can just come loose now. You can just pull this up, pull this out, and all of it will just move to the side like this, and then we can get to all this part. We're going to begin by taking our valve body out, but we're going to be aware that there are different size bolts. You have the 8 millimeters, and this is them right here. And of course the rest of them are going to be 10 millimeter bolts. These are all 10 millimeter bolts, and we're going to remove it, and we'll do that right now. Looking at, we're going to have odd shaped balls. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can tell this one has got some serious problems. It's stuck way down in there, and just eating down in there. 5, 6, 7. So there's a total of 7. We're going to use our magnet to get these balls out. That's the best way to do it. A lot of fluid's going to be on your hands. You can see there. As you can see, this thing would just probably get a new plate to repair this. You can see there are 7 of them. Your attention up into this area right here, because we need to get this manual link, this part right here. Take it loose, and it comes off just carefully, just unhooks like that, and we're going to set it aside.